What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here with the Atoyx AT-96, and this little guy did come with some prop guards on it for flying indoors, and it's mainly an indoor flyer, and so it's probably not going to handle a bit of wind not too well with those prop guards on it. So I removed the prop guards to give it a fighting chance out here. So we're about to check this little guy out. It does have altitude hold, and so it should be very easy to fly for beginners. It's a Wi-Fi FPV quad, so you can fly it with your smartphone. But right now we're just going to check out its flight characteristics. You have to have a smartphone hooked up to it in order to record the video and all and take snapshots. And you guys may know by now that I use my phone for all my video work, so I can't do both at the same time. I'll have some uploaded raw footage of this guy up soon for you guys to check out the video quality. It's only a little pinhole camera there, so don't expect to record any professional jobs or anything. So let's get this little guy up in the air before the cold weather out here makes the battery inoperable. These little batteries don't fare well in cold weather. LiPo batteries don't fare well in cold weather. So let's take this guy up in the air. We're gonna take off from ground level. So we have to put both sticks to the lower outside corners to get the props to spin. If you don't do anything for a couple seconds, the props will stop spinning. So let's press the auto takeoff button, and it's in the air. I'm assuming we're in low rates now. So let's check out the yaw. That's the yaw. Side flying aileron here. Forward flight. Has a decent amount of pitch to it. Okay, so let's try change to second rate. We're in second rate now. Let's look at the yaw. That's the yaw. Yaw has gotten a little faster. This is forward flight here. So I got a little more sporty. Side flying aileron here. So not bad. Let's go into third rate. The transmitter beeps 3 times to let you know that we're in third rate. It beeps for each rate. And that's the yaw. So the yaw is pretty speedy now. Check it out. And let's try some side flying aileron. Is pretty fast now. Definitely increased. Forward flight. So it gets pretty sporty. Let's bring it down. It's starting to climb on me. You can do some decent funnels. Okay, so let's try a flip. You have to hold down this button, I think, to do a flip. Yep, that arms the flip. That was a side flip. Let's do a front flip. It does do front flips. So flips in all directions. And let's see, what else can we test? We can test headless mode. So let's try headless. We're in headless mode, and headless does work. The heading is the direction that it's facing when you first put it in headless mode. So you have to be mindful of which direction it's facing when you activate headless mode. This is not going to get you out of a bind if you lose orientation. It's just for playing, just for fun. And I do have control of it. I'm flying to the left now, flying to the right. And as you can see, I'm applying constant yaw. So the heading is constantly changing, but I still have control of it. So pretty awesome. Bring it in and check the hover. Get out of the sun here. So the hover is nice. The altitude hold barometer is working properly. Oh, I forgot I'm still in headless mode. I had to come out of headless mode. So let's see. The lights on this thing are just two little dots for eyes on the front of it. And so you have to check for that blinking to know when LVC is kicked in. And it still has some flight time in it. The lights aren't flashing, got solid lights. Check out some funnels. So really nice flying bird here. Awesome little beginners, indoor flyer, but it can fly outdoors too. Got kind of sporty on the third rate, and it can pick up some speed. The range seems to be pretty decent as well. I don't like really testing range, especially with these altitude hold quads here, because once you go out of range, what are you going to do? It's easy for a mild breeze to make it keep going, and they tend to fly a little longer for some reason. I don't know. This thing has a really nice flight time. I thought I saw some blinking. Not sure. Let's bring it back. Spin it around, see if we can see. Lights are still solid, so this thing has a really nice flight time on it. Oh wow, the transmitter starts to buzz. So the transmitter is beeping now. It does have an alarm. That makes this thing that much better. So no need to wonder when LVC is kicking in. The transmitter starts to beep. And so it's probably just gonna land on its own, but I'm gonna press the landing, the one key to land. Let's test that out. Actually, let's try to catch it. See if we still can control it once activated. And you can. And so that's it. Pretty awesome little flyer here. The Atoyx AT-96. Pretty nice little flyer. Awesome little transmitter here. Feels nice for a toy grade. And it looks nice. I guess we're going to check out this camera next. Thanks for watching.